It's our last day in the Smokies. I'm tired. I'm so tired. This is our 8th day. Last day.
Awesome.
And we're gonna hike up to Davenport.
And next time I'm not going to forget my straps for my quilt.
Yeah, because the straps for your quilt make a huge difference.
Keeps your shoulders warm.
It does.
But it's been okay, actually, still, without it. It's just added benefit that I'll get next time.
You have straps and I have cords, and my cords are a lifesaver.
Mm-hmm. It's okay.
Everything's swollen and tender.
Are you swollen?
My hands.
That's because you ate that big old packet of Alfredo last night.
I was so hungry after hiking 13 and a half miles.
No, but there's probably a lot of sodium in it.
Supposed to be. It's hiker food.
You got Alfredo and shot blocks and...
All right,
So
time
good.
to pack
Yum,
up
yum,
for
yum,
the
yum.
last time.
What's for lunch? Everything that's left over in our pack.
Everything that's left over. Time to pack up. Again. Okay. Are your pants wet?
Yes. They're like soaking wet still. So I'm just taking out my jammies. And I don't care.
I'm gonna hike out in my pajamas and I don't care.
Do what I want to. It's the last day on the trail. It's gonna be a party in the pajamas.
Things don't dry like we thought they were going to.
It's so cold and damp and wet.
Things just don't dry.
Not saying I'd rather hike in the hot summer, but there are some perks.
Things do dry in the summer. It's to stay in bed longer.
That should scare the bears. What you doing, April?
I'm putting my warm sleeping bag away.
It's a sad thing.
This is sad every morning.
You want to climb in there with it and
I do.
have somebody else hike you out?
Carry me out in their backpack.
You lucky little quilt.
You lucky little quilt, you. You did so good. You were so...
We're so tired.
Getting delirious.
Yes.
I love these Gossamer gear pads. When you're packing up a tent, you can sit on them while you're getting everything ready so you're not on the cold, hard ground.
Best thing about my Z-Pack. Shove it in like you do your quilt. Look at all that crinkle. Nothing's lined up with fine lines. It's just stuff. It's so messy. No order at all. And you just shove it in here, and it's like a perfectly wrapped burrito, baby. Right in the bottom, so it stays separate. If it was damp or wet, everything up there is dry, which it would be dry anyway. But it's perfect. I have plenty of room.
Yeah.
Actually,
Time to sort all of our food now that we've got our bear bags down.
breakfast.
Breakfast of champions. Show me your bear
As
bag.
Brody says, they don't taste the best, but they do my body good. That's what they are.
What does your bear bag say?
No bears allowed.
At the beginning of each day, we sort through our bear bags and put our snacks in our pockets close where we can grab them, and our lunch in the top lid brain of our backpack, so when we stop for lunch, we can get those easily. Amber's got her peanut butter jelly sandwich down there. Peanut butter and honey sandwich. So it helps us not have to dig so deep in our backpacks to have everything ready for the day. After getting so sick of so many bars the first 5 days, the last 3 days during resupply, I resupplied with a bunch of salty stuff. Wheat thins and wasabi soy almonds, peanut butter pretzels, and licorice. All more savory type things because the bars were making me ugh. Tell me about the chia seeds.
Morning shot of chia seeds. I bring a little packet at it. April now wants some because they're so good.
Amber's been using them all week.
Yeah, I have them every day anyway, so might as well incorporate it into my trail food. It's good for you.
I normally put chia seeds in my smoothie every morning, so my body's used to it.
Yeah. My goodness. Is that good? Okay. Oh, the bear's gonna love the leftover chias. I'm gonna walk up and go ahead and get water ready. Everybody's
So here at Cosby Knob, there's all different little places you can put a campsite.
Not really.
Not really, not a lot. You really have to hunt for them here at Cosby
We
Knob.
didn't know about it.
The shelter's right up there, past Julie's shoulder, and then the privy is up on that hill as you leave. The shelter is right here, and the water source is so close. So sweet. And it's a pipe. Yeah.
The caravan's floating.
Yeah.
While it gets filled up, it's
Catadine beef freeze
We
floating.
could have washed off here.
Yeah,
We could
that
have
is
taken a bath here. So luxurious.
luxurious. Woohoo! But because the water flows down past the shelter, it is pretty soggy down by the bear cables.
I know.
This is the most red we've seen on the trail. The sun's shining on it, so it's not picking it up as much. Good morning on our last day. Day number 8 on the trail.
Whatever day it is.
The sun just washes it out, but
Right over here is really popping.
It is. That hill's
So glad we can see it.
Is this that May?
that's a sugar maple right there.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty? Don't forget to take a chance to look up on the trail and see all the beautiful color. Look at all the color. Just all over against that blue sky. Oh, so pretty. You gotta take a second to stop on this rock and climb it up the side right here. 'Cause look at this view. Miles and miles of color. Look at that color down there. It's spectacular.
April. Yeah.
This is just like we're on top of the world. Great Smoky Mountains. Look at the color down there. That looks like a postcard. It doesn't even look real.
Look at all the moss. So pretty.
It's like a giant moss rock.
So pretty.
The road. We have finished the Great Smoky Mountains in 8 days. It has been spectacular, really indescribable. We did it.
You made it?
From Fontana to Davenport.
Oh, Fontana, that's true, yeah.
That's right, we did all the Smoky Mountains.
Cool, cool. So there's everybody else.
We're coming. This is Davenport Gap. The trail comes out right where the pavement turns to gravel right here. Martin's waiting for Amber to come down. What was in that gum? You hightailed it out for the last 2 miles. You're like,
Stick with the plan. Just do it.
Stay the course.
Smoky Mountains. Cha-ching!
Oh, goodness. Oh, that was
And the other part of the trail starts over there, up those steps.
Oh, no, not today.
Martin's here with the support van. What are you doing, Martin?
What's that?
What are you doing?
Setting up a shower.
Outdoor shower. Woo!
Those that aren't afraid to be naked and wild.
Naked in the woods. Look at that outdoor shower set up.
Look at it. Did you see the thing on the bottom?
This is bougie. Oh, and you got a thing to sit on, stand
I'm
on.
not sitting on it.
Oh, to stand on. That's cool.
Yes.
Look, he's been warming the water all day. Look who brought trail magic. Oh, fruit, cantaloupe, and a clean shower. Thank you, hubby, with the van support.